Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essential eligibility and gathering documents right away. Make sure your previous mark sheets, ID, and passport photo are ready. This speeds application. Once done, choose your preferred batch type, regular or crash, because seats fill fast and fees differ. You should also set a short timeline for entrance tests or interviews and prepare a simple budget for fees and hostel costs. Doing these first steps prevents delays and keeps your admission process efficient and focused. You next complete the Motion Kota application promptly. Register on their portal and fill every field accurately because mismatches cause rejections. After uploading scanned documents and paying the fee, save the receipt and confirmation email. This proves submission. Once your slot appears, schedule the entrance test or interview and plan focused practice sessions. Make sure to review past paper patterns and attend any diagnostic tests they offer, since your evaluated score often determines batch allocation and scholarship eligibility. You finish by confirming your seat and completing admission formalities. Pay the admission fee, collect the official receipt, and secure hostel or transport if needed. Then attend the orientation, collect your timetable, and introduce yourself to assigned mentors. This integrates you quickly. If anything goes wrong, like missing documents or incorrect batch allocation, immediately contact the admissions office with clear proof and ask for re-evaluation. Persistence and polite follow-up usually resolve administrative mistakes within days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.